Now you can choose what colors you want. You want color?
Color green.
Green. Alright, a green color. Okay, now read the word.
I am Chad, and this is Stan.
Good. I am Chad and this is sent. Okay, you can move to boxes. Good job. Next.
Stan is my best chum.
Good. Stan is my best chum. Okay, you can move to boxes. Good job. Alright, next.
Stan and I like chess.
Good. Stan and I like chess. Alright, you can move to boxes. Good job. Alright, next.
He and I like to chat too.
Good. He and I like to chat too. Alright, you can move to boxes. Good job. Next.
We like to chat on a lot.
We like to chat?
On a lot.
We like to chat a lot. Alright, you can move to boxes. 1, 2, good job. Alright, congratulations.